Here we are, it's arrived to be opened with a Rockwell Mini. Here it is, Rockwell hardness tester. I waited a long time. I wasn't going to get one of these about a year ago, but anyway, so I decided to get one now because I want to experiment with different steels and I want to make sure my heat treats are absolutely spot on. So this is why I bought this machine. But I'm going to get it undone. It's yet in another ratting. Got to undo all this. It's a mean machine, isn't it? Oh, well wrapped and packed, isn't it?
The old thing's in the way.
Well, this machine cost me a lot of money. I spent the last few hours setting it up and calibrating it. I've more or less got it where I want it now. I'm using a calibration block here to set the actual calibration of the thing. I mean, every knife maker, well, not every perhaps, but most knife makers want to do the best they can for their customers and for themselves. They want to achieve the best they possibly can, and this just is one way of assuring that my heat treats are as good as I can get them, really. And I want to experiment with different steels. I'm hoping to do some stainless steel, RWL 34 at some point as well, so this will come in useful for that. Anyway, I'm just going to calibrate this machine and just show you where I am with it. Just turning the dial now to put a test load onto the piece. So I set that now with a preliminary test load. I'm going to impart the main load now. So it's a diamond indenter coming down with a test load. I'll just let that settle. This time where the machine is, and then I can, if I'm out by a little bit, I can allow for that. So I'll now push the unload button, and the final reading will give me the Rockwell reading. Right, and there the Rockwell reading is reading 61. I don't know if you can see that. It's reading 61 there. So what I'll do, I'll remove that. Sorry about the camera angle. I'll remove that force now. Remove the test piece, and as you can see, if the light will tell you, 60.9 HRC. So I'm pretty close with that. Now I'm going to test one of my knives. Bring the load up to it. One, two, three. Just adjust that so it's bang onto the C. and then impart the main load. Let it settle for a bit. And then I'll see what the Rockwell reading is. The Rockwell reading of that knife is 59 HRC. I'm pretty happy with that. Well, it's been a long day. I'm tired. I spent all day, well, half a day at least, setting the machine up and playing with it and getting to familiarise myself with how it works and that. But I'm extremely delighted with the results, as you can probably tell, but I'm very tired. But this is going to mean that every jacklaw from now on will leave with a certificate of testing. It'll be tested on this brand new Rockwell tester. And I'm sure that the accuracy will be to within half a Rockwell point. So when you get your knives, there'll be a little certificate in there giving you the Rockwell reading of your individual knife. There's no doubt they'll all be a little bit individual. I don't expect they're going to vary too much, but you know, things being as they are, they may well be a third of a Rockwell here or a third of a Rockwell there. But I'll be noting that down, and you'll get that with the certificate when you get your knife. So this just gives me a huge confidence boost. I knew they were pretty close anyway, but this just confirms it. So anyway, thanks for that, and this will be used in earnest tomorrow when I heat treat the next batch of knives. All the best, everybody. Thanks for watching.